I watched the day fall flat on a folding chair by the curb. My hands were full of bad news and a little bit of nerve. You said, hey, keep your head up, like you meant it for real. I laughed with a cracked up face, but I felt that deal. One deep breath, then another, I let go, bit by bit. Your voice hit like a shudder, and the dark started to lift. Paper cut rain, wash it down. Paper cut rain, turn me around. I was low, now I'm here. Paper cut rain, feels so clear. The train hissed past the block and my shoes were soaked through. I had a whole stack of problems, but they look small with you. You tapped my wrist once, said don't carry that away. And the night split open with a little more light. One deep breath, then another, I let go, bit by bit. Your voice hit like a shudder, in the dark started to live. Paper cut rain, wash it down. Paper cut rain, turn me around. I was low, now I'm here. Paper cut rain, feels so clear. If I shake, pull me up. If I fall, stay near. I've been living too heavy, you make it disappear. Not a miracle, just a hand in mine. Just enough good news to get me through the night. Paper cut rain, wash it down. Paper cut rain, turn me around. I was low, now I'm here. Paper cut rain, feels so clear. Paper cut rain, stay a while. Paper cut rain, got me smiling.